Hi there and welcome. So here I am going to talk about Proceum e-learning features catered for the third year of MBBS. So first 2 years of MBBS where the students will be learning the basic sciences and the clinical journey begins at the third year of MBBS. So here the Proceum introduces a revolutionary learning management system tailored to meet the exact requirements of the competency-based medical education curriculum proposed at 2024, which is prescribed by the National Medical Commission. So this Proceum platform is designed to provide medical students and educators with the most advanced tools and resources, ensuring success in today's competitive and ever-evolving healthcare landscape. So whether you are a student preparing for the academic excellence or an educator looking for innovative teaching aids, Proceum serves as an ideal partner to redefine learning and teaching in medical education. So you might be thinking, why Proceum is the ultimate choice? So one thing I want to make it very clear here, that the Proceum is the only platform offering content that is fully aligned with the latest CBME curriculum. So it is not just about learning, it's about transforming the way students understand, retain and apply the medical knowledge. So the third year of MBBS under the current CBME curriculum focuses on 4 critical subjects: community medicine, forensic medicine and toxicology, ophthalmology and ENT. So the community medicine includes totally 20 topics with 136 competencies, and the forensic medicine and toxicology comprises 14 topics with 158 competencies, and opthal contains 10 topics with 60 competencies, and finally the ENT consists of 4 topics with 63 competencies. So these are the topics and competencies for all these subjects. So in total, if you see the phase 3 of MBBS, which is the part 1 of phase 3, that is the third year of MBBS, comprises 417 competencies. And to complement the current CBME framework for the third year of MBBS, the Proceum offers a vast and detailed content repository that ensures the students are well equipped with all the tools they needed for academic as the clinical success. So for the third year of MBBS, Proceum provides 267 video lectures, and for these video lectures we have the detailed lecture notes, which is around 370, and we have around 1800 plus multiple choice questions covering all these subjects. And we know that this is the era of problem based learning and clinical based learning, and the national exit test is going to come, which will completely focuses on the USMLE kind of questions, which is case based questions. That is the reason for every subject, every topic, we have added a case-based scenario. Therefore, this third year of MBBS has totally 1484 case-based scenarios. So this is what is Proceum actually providing for the third year of MBBS. Access the world-class medical education content designed to support your journey to success. With Proceum, everything you need is just a click away. Visit www.proceum.com or download the Proceum app today and start exploring new standard of medical education. Proceum is where the future doctors begin their journey. Thank you.